You're sitting at your desk. Your eyes feel heavy. Your focus is gone. And you wonder, should you take a nap at work? For some people, it sounds lazy. For others, it sounds like a productivity hack. But what does science actually say? Because your brain doesn't work in straight lines. It works in cycles. Every day, your brain runs on a biological clock. This clock controls when you feel alert and when you feel sleepy. Most people experience a natural dip in energy between 1 and 3 in the afternoon. This isn't caused by lunch. It's part of your circadian rhythm. Your brain temperature drops slightly. Alertness chemicals decrease. Sleep pressure increases. In other words, your brain is biologically asking for rest. But here's the problem. Most jobs are designed as if your focus should be constant. 8 straight hours of peak performance. That's not how the brain works. When fatigue builds up, your reaction time slows, your memory gets worse, and mistakes increase. At that point, forcing yourself to stay awake often does more harm than good. This is where naps come in. Short naps have been shown to improve alertness, boost learning, and restore focus. But not all naps are equal. The key is duration. A nap under 20 minutes keeps you in light sleep. You wake up refreshed, without feeling groggy. This is called a power nap. Sleep longer than 30 minutes, and you enter deeper sleep stages. Waking up from deep sleep causes sleep inertia. That heavy, foggy feeling. That makes you less productive than before. So the nap itself isn't the problem. Timing is. There's also the question of timing during the day. Napping too late can reduce your sleep pressure at night. That makes it harder to fall asleep, creating a cycle of poor sleep. The ideal window is early to mid-afternoon, late enough to restore focus, early enough to protect nighttime sleep. What about work performance? Studies show that short naps can improve decision-making, reaction time, and emotional regulation. Some companies already know this. That's why places like Google and NASA have tested nap-friendly environments, because a rested brain is a more efficient brain. But naps aren't a replacement for sleep. If you're constantly exhausted, a nap is a bandage, not a solution. Chronic sleep deprivation can't be fixed with short naps. They help, but they don't erase the problem. So should you nap at work? If it's short, well-timed, and occasional, yes. A controlled nap can reset your brain and improve performance. But if it's long, late, or constant, it can hurt more than it helps. Your brain doesn't need more hours. It needs better timing. And sometimes, 20 minutes is all it takes.